To date, we are here to revisit Pablo and Josu and a couple of them, but it's doing the 3 acts.
Yeah, the Act 1, Act 2, Act 3.
Yeah, and it looks like we know La Luna, and we just listened to Determinado, and they were both great. So I want to see what the performance is, like what the setup is. Like I'm not really sure what Act 1, 2, and 3. It kind of sounds theatrical and
Some kind of storyline, at least.
yeah. So I'm down because everything so far has been great by anybody even remotely involved with this group. So I'm going to go ahead and like and subscribe. I would appreciate it if you guys did the same for us.
Yeah, trying to grow the channel.
Yeah, you ready for this?
Let's check it out.
You ready for this?
Starts with a seizure warning.
Good. I mean, that came out wrong.
Paabot naman ang alak, pare tarawalwalan. Dami ko naman dapat na ginagawa na nararapat. Pero please, isa pang shot. Gusto ko pang malasing ng todo para makatanga sa realidad. Alam kong hindi ito ang sagot, nais lang maabot ang alapa. Bakit ba ang dami-dami taong gustong punin ang sarili tapos kapot umali? Pag sinabi mo lahat ng yan ay makakaya at lilipas din lahat, halika nga dito pare. Buhay ay ganyan talaga, mahilig siya manghilap pababa. Sakyan mo lang hanggang magsawa.
Dude, I like his like chill, it's like a chill flow but still fast.
Yeah,
like to be able to pull that off, I think is cool.
Ganyan talaga, mahilig siya manghilap pababa. Sakyan mo lang hanggang magsawa. Diyan mo rin naman makukuha at matututunan kung paano abutin ang mga tala. Tuloy ang pag-ikot ng mundo, kaya itagay mo. Bukas babangurin naman tayo, pero di lang sa ngayon. Alakakala, kumawala, sa wala lahat ng aking problema. Alakakala, kumawala, sa wala lang lahat ng aking problema. Alakakala, alakakala, kumawala, lahat ng aking problema.
It's like both a pro and anti-alcohol.
Yeah.
Di ko na nagustuhan. Kailangan ko pa bang isama yan sa bagay na dapat ko na matutunan. Kulang pa ang aking kaalaman. Puso'y nalalaman, di ko na nga alam saan papapunta. Siguro nga ito lang ang sagot. Diyos ko po, di ko na malaman ang gusto nyo. Gusto ko lang subukan na maging ako nang walang panghusga sa mga mata nyo. Di nakala, mawawala ang bahay.
You good? I like it. That feels real.
Yeah.
Darating ang panahon. Alakakala, kumawala, sa wala lang lahat ng aking problema. Alakakala, kumawala, sa wala lang lahat ng aking problema. Alakakala, alakakala, kumawala, lahat ng aking problema. Alakakala, alakakala,
Yeah, it's definitely about finding that balance, you know. The video definitely captured the drunken memory, you know.
Yeah.
had that face like I'm ready to crash.
Yeah.
Okay, there's Act 1. It's 100% juice. Yeah, I'm bad at this. But yeah, so that seemed like partying with the friends, you know, have a good time.
Had those nights. you
Know that there's going to be consequences. You know, like
Yeah.
it might erase all your problems, but it creates a whole new set of them. So,
Well, and when you're young and your first experiences, you don't think about it.
right. And it's just like, yeah, let's go. All right, Act 2.
When Determinado, huh?
Ano bang sabi ko? I like the rawness of the video. It doesn't seem like all done up or anything.
Kami nagtanong ba't ito ang gusto? Tahakin na landas sa legalito. Takbo ng utak ko ay malayo sa iyo. Maniobra parayo sa kakitirang iyo. Kargado na puno na rin ang galito. Pero di ako magpapalo ng salain nyo. Patuloy ang andar kahit na bali-bali ko. Sa aking daanan supag to ay mababalik ko. Ano ang sabi ko? Determinado, walang makakapigil determinado. Aking sentido bumabasag ng mga bungo. Ito nang uling versikulo maririnig mo galing sa'yo berdugo. Natumbas ako ng dalawa na hipo. Bawat suntok ay may bigat na manahipo. Kahit si Elos hindi ako mahipo. Paglagdem si Rol Pirami sa alino. Musika lang ang ibisyo. Ano nang tanging ambisyo? Kahit anong mga opinyo, hindi malilipo. Lagi sa sakripisyo, hindi kailangan ang abiso. Na kahit na sino, ito na nga ay pagsipo.
I like this has some suspense to it, you know? Like,
Di ako siyang nandito. Ako'y di hamak ng isang mortal ka na pagito. Ako'y may immortal liharan tulad sa palito. Ay papalito ng anyo pag napapasag mo ng mga babigo. Panigurado matatos na tsak sunog sa ginagawa promises ng musika na husga. Nagliliyab mga ako tagan. Magigising ka kapag sinindihan ko pa. Don't you drop the beat, you're gonna never take the heat. Determinado, walang makakapigil determinado. Aking sentido bumabasa ng mga bungo. Ito na muling versikulo maririnig mo galing sa'yo berdugo. Paisa, nangumpay sa pag-uukay ng mga tulog. Sa bahay ng saysay parang tarantula. Nalulumpay kahihintay ng pusang galang magtatangkang main ang aking buhay. Di mo ma-i-deny, aking naglay. Kahit pa kumamot ang paglakad ko ay pasuray-suray. Habang buhay maglakbay patungo sa aking pangarap na kailan pa man ay di mamamatay. Hindi mamamatay, lagi mananalaytay ang enerhiyang aking ibibigay. Bye-bye lang ang kayang sila.
it's the grit in his voice, man. It just makes it hit.
Di ko kailangan na lamang akin ang hayang tinapang. Tingin ang mukha kahungay. Lumayas ka sa akin ba? Kung isip ko'y di rin tunay. Nasaysay magbigay bugay. Matagal na akong patay kundi lang. Determinado. Ako ay determinado. Ako ay determinado. Determinado. Ako ang iyong berdugo.
Yeah, that was
They
cool.
kill it, man. For such a simple video, this is so captivating.
When it's like, okay, that was, the drunk night before, and this is now making some realizations during.
Yeah. Yeah, they definitely sound great together. But yeah, we've been told the Rad Kids, that's what their duo name is.
Oh, okay.
So
That's cool.
definitely have to keep that in mind here. Now we're on to Act 3. La Luna.
Yeah, it looked like he left, yeah.
%100% juice.
Anong ingay yun? Saan nanggaling yun? Sa tagal nakakulong bilang araw ng panahon. Teka, got my shackles on, that means I am home. Got no room for visitors, it'd be best if y'all leave me alone. Hey, go away, I'd be rude if I ask you to stay. Cause I'm gon' pray right before I try to eat my prey. You know what they say. Who cares what they say? Don't invade my space, cause if you do, then I'll leave you like what you don't. Not okay. Siguro nga panahon na para
Oh,
ako'y
left the fridge open?
magising. Harapin at yakapin, tunay na ako'y magiging. Alamin mga bagay na makakaya kong gawin. Kapag ang takot at kinakatakutan ko'y ako rin. Kahit saan magpuntay, piging uhaw ay di na darating. Ako'y magpapakalasing sa dugong bawat magpiling. Umaga'y di na darating, buwan ay laging nakatingin. Di na usong muling iling, tara simulan natin. Was your last proposal, but I'm trying to avoid trouble. All I'm keeping myself to myself is an ideal. Should I really go out there and be healthy, though it's clear that the whole world is a breathless day, okay? I've been living all my life right behind, possibly the light that I got for all. Skies are like a melody, I burn 6 a week, watch me need the pain, the game for Malagran. These are my lifeline, I'm top, it's my time. Lots of mess, twists and turns, yeah, I keep on taking my timeline. Lahat ng matatago pa, nabukas na ang pulang kurtina, simula na lalalo na dugo.
It's going hard from the couch. I like the like snap out, the maniacal nature of it.
Mga paniniwala ko'y di nabasag ng iba. Di kailanman kailangan ng maraming kaibigan na sa kalagitnaan ng digmaan ay nawawala. At kung kailangan mo lang sila, yun ay di problema. Kaya-kaya at matagal na ginagawa ko na. Ang iba'y iniisip na sila'y pag wala. Pwede ako tulad nila, ibang kapa. Kaso wala ako, namuhay sa awon. Ako pa'y napagkain na lupa. San man mapatpad ang iba. Tinitan na kalimit na hanggang sa di na malayo na ang puso'y pato na. Kaya kinulungo ang sarili mag-isa. Binigay ang natatag. Susi na meron ako sa at kung mahanap ang sa lilim ako ko sa luluwas sa langga at magsisimula. Ito ang laluna, hindi kita pipilitin na maiwala ang ibig mas nakikita pag ito'y wala ra. Amo nang di maniwala kaya'y magtago na. Lalo na simula ng lalo na. Amo nang di maniwala kaya'y magtago na. Lalo ka na.
Please enjoy responsibly. I did enjoy that fairly responsibly. Good looking out.
Yeah,
But yeah, everything so far has been great by him. I can't say that enough.
Yeah.
Thoroughly entertaining, no matter how complex or simple the concept, no matter what genre it seems like I don't know. Everything about the whole group has
I
just
really
been cool.
like SB19. Like, actually has become one of my favorite guy groups that we've listened to.
Yeah, and we don't normally gravitate towards too many guy groups, so it definitely does feel like something special when I find one that I look forward to listening to more of, you know, not like, oh, that was cool for what it was, but like, what's next, you know, kind of thing. So good looking out to all the people involved. But yeah, great performance. The whole like setting was cool. Like it felt real and raw and not gimmicky or staged too much and stuff like that. Like, and the two together is a whole nother level. The way they go back and forth and their tones match, and they both have that grit to their voice, and they're top notch.
Well
but can you think of anything else before we get out of here?
Nope. Glad we checked it out. Yeah.
Thanks for watching with us. See you next time.